We like your cricket. Surrender Earth. You defeat us in cricket, you get Earth. If you lose, join me as an intern. Deal. Tony, we got to save Earth. Give me your best 11.
I'm going to give you a team that will score 180 runs on an average. At the same time, this team will be able to defend 150 runs.
And today we are beginning a cricket data analytics series, scrapping data from ESPN Cricket Info website, data cleaning and transformation in pandas, in dashboards in Power BI. The players, they will be like, this team is unbeatable.
The future of this planet is focused on these 11 players. Citizens of data hope and pray. Our analysis and insights shall work.
Defeat these portents and bring us glory.